How to add family member in Life360 mobile app. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a circle where you're gonna invite your family members. So click here. And now we can see we got only friend circle. So create a new one, choose family. And then you get this code straight away. So this code you can send your family member and they can join your circle. So click on send. And it will look like this. And if they click on this link, they will download the app, or if they have already the app, they just gonna join your circle. And this is how can you add family members. If you don't see this, you can go back, choose the family circle, just click on it like this. And now it is selected. Click on the settings widget, then go circle management. And here you can add circle members. And it's the same process, you're just gonna send them code, they can join, and that's it. This is how can you add family members in Life360 mobile app. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button or leave a comment. And if you wanna see more, subscribe to the channel. See you later.